Paragraph. The scene at a seaside. The scene at a seaside. The scene at a seaside is really worth enjoying. Seasides have, therefore, been some of the best tourist spots in each country across the globe. The seaside is visited by people for its irresistible attractions. The side beach has its different beauties at different parts of the day. The sea is perhaps at its best in the morning. The beach unmistakably crowded by people who leave their beds early to enjoy sunrise. It is really a perfect sight to find the morning sun coming up from within the dark blue sea. The sun looks like a big disk of fire. The people present enjoy the beauty to their heart's content. In addition, the cool and pure air delights and invigorates everybody in the morning. The sea beach gets crowded once more late in the morning and around noon when hundreds of people gather there to bath in the sea. They enjoy their bathing in the saline water with tall waves breaking on their heads. People again throw at the seaside in the afternoon to enjoy the sight of the sun setting. It is truly a fascinating beauty to see the sun descending into the sea. These apart, the seaside is also crowded in the evening by the people who want to enjoy the cool and invigorating air of the evening. Many assemble there to drink the cup of the beauty of the sea on a moonlit night. Now the entire environment of the seaside transforms into that in a fairyland.